That's a good mural, yeah. Yuki, hush, we're gonna have to be here for a while. We don't want them to kick us out. Okay? Huh? You want them to kick us out? Barstow, California, at the train station. Come on, Yuki. Look at this, Yuki, look. Looks like it's been there for a while, but it's a cool part of history though. Oh, look at this old passenger one down here. That's going to be cool. And this old flatbed or whatever it is. It's a whole giant train yard, it looks like. It's a big hub for the west, I think. And here we go, here's this. Let's see. Yeah, this used to be the old passenger one. All the windows boarded up too, but come on, Yuki. Here's old Santa Fe number 95. One second. This is the Harvey house in Barstow, California. If you guys aren't familiar with the story of the Harvey house, I could give you a rough version of it. I think a guy named Frank Harvey, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong on the name, but he was tired of getting off the trains and having shoddy facilities and stuff, so he wanted to make first class place where you could have good food, place to stay, good eats and all that stuff. So he started building these around the West, and this happens to be here at Barstow, California, and it's still in service. And here's the building. Beautiful building, beautiful architecture on it. And they called this one Casa del Desierto. Desierto? Is that the home in the desert? Is that what they're trying to say? Here's the sign of it right here. We'll go over here and look at this, but we got a surprise coming through a train. It's a freight train, I think, but it's not going to stop. But that'd be cool to have a passenger train stop.